what do I do?
Hit the record, say the word, stop it, and then play it back.
Chicken. Chicken.
How'd that sound?
I think that was pretty good.
Okay, keep going then. If you want, hit that check mark.
Check. Check. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
What'd you think?
I think that's
You
good.
like that too?
Yeah.
How was the S in that one?
It sounded good to me.
It sounded good? Okay.
And what do you think? You are so professional.
I think the S needs a little work, personally. But other than that, here, let me see. Maybe I have, I don't know if I have S on this. But you like to record stuff.